this year for the love and appreciation he has for football. I think he has greater love and appreciation.
Good morning. How is everybody doing today? It's Friday, December 2nd. And it's raining in Southern California. But I did a dewdrop at Cloverleaf Coffee and Bakery. Now let's get right down to it. Last time I got the lemonade and the cheesebread. This time I got an iced mocha. The good thing about it is they don't put cream on it. They only have one side. And it has a very coffee taste. And my typical cheesebread. I wanted to get a sandwich or a salad. Well, it took 15 minutes. I ain't had that kind of time, but I was determined to come today. And the traffic wasn't that bad, so I was able to slide in. There wasn't no one in there hardly, but one person probably eating, and I got in there. There were a couple of parades last night in a couple of cities. I believe there was a parade in Monrovia, California, and there was a parade in Temple City where the Cloverleaf coffee is at. Also, tonight in Pasadena is supposed to be a tree lighting, I believe at the City Hall again. I doubt if I go to that, it might be too crowded, but the City Hall tree thing is still on my mind. It's definitely on my mind because I'm still searching for Christmas. And with that in mind, this is Robin Deschamps, determined to try out Cloverleaf Coffee and Bakery's iced mocha, only one size. Everything came to $8, probably about 2 cents. Of course, the iced mocha cost $5 and something, and the cheese bread was $2 and something. With that in mind, I'll see you in my next video, because I'm still searching for Christmas. As you saw on my last video, lots of Christmas designs. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Chick-fil-A in Azusa. I'll talk to you later, folks. Don't want to say no more about that. Looking for Christmas? Yes, I am. Talk to you later. Is this another blooper? I'm thinking I'm looking at the camera. I am looking at it, but why come it's not doing right? See ya.